everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today's video is just going to be my fall Q&A, and I asked you guys a while ago over on Instagram to ask me questions, and you guys asked a ton of great ones, so I'm going to try to answer as many as I can. And if you guys would like to be featured in the next Q&A, be sure to go over and follow me on Instagram. That way you are always kept in the loop as to when I ask for questions. And my Instagram is just Allie's__life, and it is always linked in the description box. And without further ado, let's get started. The first question is, who are your 3 favorite female characters on Grey's Anatomy, and who are your 3 favorite male characters on Grey's Anatomy? So for those of you who don't know, I am a huge Grey's Anatomy fan, and I've watched all 14 seasons, and am so excited that just recently the 15th season started. Starting off with my 3 favorite female characters, they are definitely Arizona Robinson, Amelia Shepherd, and Izzy Stevens. And as for males, I really like Alex Karev. He's definitely my favorite male character. Richard Webber, and also Owen Hunt. My answers may have just shocked you guys because most people are like, ooh, Meredith Grey or Christina Yang. And then for men, they're always like, oh, you know, McDreamy and stuff. But I really like the ones that I mentioned. The next question is, what is your favorite flavor of ice cream to get at the grocery store? So my absolute favorite is actually a limited edition ice cream, and it is the Friendly's Nor'easter Pothole. It is so good. If you've never had it, you're missing out. And I'm not sure if it's just a New England thing or if it's everywhere. If you're from other places in the US and you've seen it or had it, let us all know in the comments down below. Let us know what state you're in that you found it. I'm obviously up in Maine, and it's in pretty much every grocery store. And then my year-round favorite flavor of ice cream is also from Friendly's, and it is their double chocolate chip cookie dough. It's basically just chocolate ice cream with chocolate chips and cookie dough, and it is so good. Next is, what is your favorite store to buy clothes at for school? I really like Marshall's, and I also really like Tractor Supply Company, and I actually did a back to school clothing haul and showed a lot of clothing from Tractor Supply Company, and most people are like really dumbfounded when they hear that I get clothes there because they never knew it. But let me tell you, they have some of the most gorgeous stuff. I find better stuff there than I do at like Forever 21 and stuff. And it's all clothing that I can wear for like interviews if I needed to for school. And then obviously Marshall's, because who doesn't like to shop at Marshall's or TJ Maxx? Next is, what is your favorite color? My favorite color changes between pink and purple. Right now I'm going through a pretty big pink phase, as you guys can see it from my iPhone case, as well as the credit card holder, as well as my backpack, my pencil case, and everything pretty much else that I have right now for school is pink. But I also really like purple and go through like phases of when I like each color. The next one I thought was a really good one, and it is, what is your favorite girl name, boy name, and gender neutral name? So I like really out of their names, I guess you could say. They're definitely not really common. For a girl, I really like the name Oakland. I don't know why. I just think it is such a pretty name, and it's one of those names that's different but sounds so good. For a boy, I really like the name Hudson. I don't really like to go with like generic names like Matthew or Samuel or Alexander. I really like more original names, and I just think Hudson's a really good name for a boy. And then my gender neutral name is Carter. It can be used both with a girl or a boy. It is most often associated with a boy, but I also know a bunch of Carters that are girls, and I just think it's a great gender neutral name. The next question is probably my favorite question that someone asked, and it was, what are your favorite TV shows that have been canceled? So the shows that I absolutely love that have been canceled are Finding Carter, Red Band Society, Code Black, and The Fosters. I can't believe that all 4 of those shows have been canceled. Finding Carter just like never ended, and the Red Band Society was only on for I believe 1 or 2 seasons. That was such a great show and so relatable in so many ways for so many teens, and they should definitely bring it back. Code Black ended after 3 seasons, which I was so mad about because I love that show. And then The Fosters finally came to an end. Even though I think they totally could have kept going, they did end it. And I really like Private Practice too. I can't believe that Private Practice is gone too. I loved that show. And it always seems like the really good shows get canceled and then the really dumb ones stay on air. The next one is, there are a lot of different kinds of apples, but which one is your favorite? I thought this one was really funny because it's so random. I also thought it was a very fitting question because it is fall. I definitely think Honeycrisp apples are my favorite. They're very sweet, juicy, and delicious. And I also really like Granny Smith apples, but if I had to pick like one apple, it would definitely be a Honeycrisp. Next up is, what is your favorite eyeshadow palette? My favorite eyeshadow palette is definitely the Too Faced Chocolate Bon Bons palette. I really think I'd like the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette as well. However, I don't own it, and the one I do own is the Chocolate Bonbons palette, and it's the one I use all the time. I love all the colors, and I just think they're great eyeshadows. Another makeup question I got is, what is your go-to red lipstick? My go-to red lipstick is Snow White by NYX. It is literally like $3 or $4 at Ulta, and it's been my go-to staple red lipstick probably since I was in high school. It is like a true red lipstick. Another food-related question I got is, what is your favorite fall drink? My favorite fall drink, and it's also my go-to drink no matter what season it is definitely an iced caramel macchiato from Starbucks. Yes, I drink iced drinks year-round. I'm really not into hot coffees or hot chocolates. I really like iced drinks. I have 2 questions left to answer, and the first one is, how do you like MA school? So they're referring to the fact that I am a senior medical assistant student, and I absolutely love it. It is definitely stressful, and it's really a disorganized program where I go to school, but I think in the end it'll totally be worth it. I've learned a ton already, and I also have a bunch of friends in my class, which makes it 10 times better. And the last question is, who is your woman crush Wednesday? And I actually have 2, and both of them are actresses on Grey's Anatomy, and the first one is Katerina Scorzoni. I think she is beautiful. She will always forever be my woman crush Wednesday. She is the actress who plays Amelia Shepherd, and I also think that my second woman crush Wednesday is Jessica Capshaw. She plays Arizona Robinson. I just think they're both beautiful, and I love them, and they will always be my woman crush Wednesdays. Fun fact, they are also 2 of the actresses who play 2 of my favorite female characters on the show. So those are all the questions I will be answering for you guys today. If you guys like this video and would like me to do Q&As more often, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure to come back tomorrow, because throughout the month of October, I am uploading a new video every weekday, and would love it if you would become part of the Allie Packer squad. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!